All right, guys, it's 105 degrees in the garage today, but we got some tie rod ends we got to replace on the Nissan Altima. It's a 2016. Let's get it done. So you keep the nut on. Once that breaks loose, you're going to count the rotations to get it off. And that is what a bad tie rod end looks like. So a healthy new tie rod looks like. Let's get the new one on. Make sure your tie rod goes back in your hole. Then tighten up your lock nut. Now that it's properly seated, we're going to put on our new nut. This one came with a nylon washer built in. Also a 19. Torque to spec, which is 25 foot-pounds. The new tie rod end has the nylon washer, so it doesn't have a cotter pin. After you do a tie rod, you have to get the vehicle aligned again. Well, that certainly didn't go as planned. I'm sure there's a lot of comments about all the things I did wrong or should have done differently. Let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so what did you guess? How bad did you think it was going to be? I'll tell you, I was even surprised by the results. Here we go. Boom. Before. Look at that. Look at that. Straight as an arrow, boys. I knew the toe was going to be out a little bit because the new tie rod ends were just a touch longer, but I thought that was pretty darn good for the before, and that of course is the after. Did you guess right, or did you think I was full of crap? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.